Let's learn how to make this. It's a naan bread tandoori wrap, and I tell you what, any single one of you will be able to make it. First, we're gonna need to get some ingredients. I'll be back. This should do. We need some naan bread, and then maybe some sauces, some yummy chicken that's been cooked in the tandoori, and a little bit of saag aloo. Unwrap your naan bread, cut it in half, and you pop it on the plate. You take out one bit of chicken, take the salad out, pop it on your naan bread. Means you don't even need to provide the salad either. Slice your chicken into bits, pop it on the salad. Oh my God, this is gonna be delicious. You take a little bit of that delicious saag aloo sauce and potato, followed by a few dribbles of the red sauce that came with it, add a little bit of this yummy green sauce too, and then you get stuck in. Oh my God, that is so good. And you know what? Sometimes it's not about what's in the fridge, because you can't always be bothered. So get down to your local Indian. If any of you are in my town, make sure you go to the Bombay Palace. The views are amazing, and the lads are even better. It's so good.